lotion. So today I'm gonna be doing another giant, adding way too much to the store-bought slime. Yeah. And let's get straight on into the video. Alright guys, so which one should we do first? Should we do this one or this one? I don't know.
I think the blue one.
Okay, let's do the blue one. Alrighty, so last time I did, I think it was squishy like slime, and that slime, giant slime, and then I did the crazy art slime. This one I'm gonna be doing crazy art slime. This one is the blue cotton candy scented pre-made slime, so I'm going to try it out. And yeah, let's do this. Alright, so first let's do some ASMR on the slime first. Smells so good, like cotton candy. But I feel like the color should be a bit lighter. Kind of like my shirt. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start adding our ingredients to this. So this one, I think we should do lotion into it. So let's do this. So in the last one, I actually added like a whole bucket of the ingredients. Like, so usually I just add a little bit of lotion, like this much probably, or you know, like 3 times the amount or something like that. But this time, I'm gonna be filling up the whole bucket and then putting it into there, and maybe even more, maybe another bucket. Let's see. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and fill this up. Okay, I think we're gonna need a little bit more lotion. This is a lot of lotion, guys. Ooh, look at how satisfying it is. Let's do a little swirl. All right, are we done, I think? Yeah, okay. Okay, so we have a whole bucket of lotion now. Why does that actually look so satisfying, guys? Look, it looks like a nice glossy thick slime. Oh my gosh. This would be a funny joke, guys. Like, you know, you go in, it's a little overfilled, but you're going to your friend and you're like, oh, here's that slime I borrowed back. Or just, oh, hey, look, I got your present. And they open it and it's a bucket full of lotion. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and just start putting our bucket of lotion into there. Oh gosh. I was gonna put a little bit more lotion after this, but you know, I think there's more lotion than slime at this point. What is gonna happen to this, guys? Oh my gosh. The slime already is pretty good, you know? Crazy art slime is pretty good. Like, it's pretty clicky, pretty stretchy, and it's like enough like activator so it doesn't stick to things, but it still sticks to things. I feel like now it's gonna be super like stretchy and nice, so we'll see. I wonder if we're gonna need activator though, because this is a lot of lotion, and I think last time, like my other video I did of this, needed more activator too. It's like getting really super duper melted. So we're gonna go ahead and add some activator in it. Paul, could you give me a hand?
I got you. Here you go.
Thank you.
Is it working? Kinda.
I think I'm gonna need more activator though, because there's a lot of lotion. Like a bucket full.
Oh, is there a bucket full?
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot. This activator is so cold. Can you warm it up? This is taking forever, guys.
24 hours later.
All right, guys, we got a stronger activator. That's good, that's good, that's good.
That's good? I'm sorry, I put a lot. I guess you're just gonna have to put more lotion.
I guess so. This is a mess, guys. It is all over my table. Alrighty, it's getting better, but we need to add more activator, I think.
More activator.
That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna be able to save this slime. I think I might have put too much, guys. A little too much, guys. Maybe way too much. Alright guys, I feel like this is the best I could do with this slime. It is just not activating. It did get like stretchier in a way, but it got more like grippy because there's like not enough slime to keep it going, so yeah. This honestly feels like I'm playing with like a type of oobleck slime where like when I like squish it, it's like slime, but like when I just like put my hand in it slowly, it's like milk or cream or like Alfredo sauce or something, I don't know.
Some more activator.
We're gonna put more activator one more time to see if we could try and make this slime better and like more activated. Hopefully we can. All right, let's see. So I think we are all done. This is the best I can do. And excuse my cringy hands too, like it is just not coming up. This is the best I could do, guys. I've added so much activator. We even made the activator really strong and it's still just staying like this. But it's super glossy and very creamy and very jiggly. So this is like a, instead of like a water slime, it's like milk slime or like, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and try and attempt to put this back in the bucket and see how much more slime we made, like how much bigger it got. So we did add like a whole bucket of lotion. So there we go, whoa! Look at how much more slime we made, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. We made so much slime, guys. All right, guys, I got another bucket right here and it still won't fit. So I guess I'm just gonna have to find another container to put this all in. But yeah, this is how much slime we made by putting like a bottle and a half of lotion. Let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, so I finally got everything all cleaned up after a lot of paper towels. Anyways, this time we're gonna be doing a shaving cream. But we're gonna be doing it with crazy strawberry scented pre-made slime. So yeah, let's try it out. Oh wow, this one is so much like stretchier than the other one I just did right now. Wow, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. It has such a pretty color and it is so much more stretchy too. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and put a bucket of shaving cream into it. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so we got our shaving cream. Let's start trying to fill up this bucket. Alright guys, I think I'm almost done. Now we just do a little swirl on top. Bucket of shaving cream. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the shaving cream inside our slime now. Oh my gosh, that is so much shaving cream, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Let's mix it. Alright, this is a lot of shaving cream, but I feel like we can add another bucket to this and it should be able to take it. Alright guys, I'm all done mixing it. I definitely think we should add another bucket of shaving cream, but let's do some ASMR with this first because it's really, really nice and like super creamy and fluffy, so yeah. And it's super smooth. Alright, let's do a swirl now. Alright, well this turned out super duper nice. And yeah, well let's go ahead and add the shaving cream into the bucket now again. But before we do that, I want to just say really quick, like my channel, check out the cherry with the like button and subscribe button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Comment down below and let's keep going. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and try and fill this up with the shaving cream again. Woo, that took a long time. Alright, now we do a little swirl on top. And ta-da! Alright, let's go ahead and add it to here. I am excited to see how fluffy this thing is gonna get. So yeah, let's just scoop that up, puff it on there. Alright, let's mix that up. This actually turned into such a pretty color. I really love like pastel pink, so yeah, I really like this color. Okay, it's getting so fluffy, guys, and it's still together. We already added like 1.5 times its size of shaving cream. Okay, alright, I finally got it all into the slime and it is so fluffy, guys. It's so fluffy and crunchy. Like, oh my gosh. And I feel like we could still add like more shaving cream. Should we add more shaving cream? What do you guys think? Alright guys, I think we're gonna add more shaving cream. Alright, let's go ahead and add that into there now. Guys, we've already added 3 buckets of shaving cream, guys. Oh my gosh. And there's like the slime only fills up like half the bucket. So we're adding a lot of shaving cream, guys. I can't believe this slime hasn't like fallen apart yet. Alright, I'm all done. There it is. Do you guys hear that? It's so fluffy and dense. Oh my gosh. Did I add 3 buckets already? Wow. It's like a drum. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love adding shaving cream to slime, especially when the slime is like not hard or something. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, guys. There is so much shaving cream in here. I feel like we can add even more. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add 1 more bucket and see how that goes. But first, I gotta go find another shaving cream can because I already used 2. All right, guys, we're gonna add even more freaking shaving cream, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we added like a bucket and a half almost. I feel like it's a little less than half, but almost a half. All right, let's mix it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so I'm like basically done adding the shaving cream, and guys, it got bigger. Like I didn't even expect that. I don't know why I didn't expect it, because I mean it's adding shaving cream, but like it got even bigger. It looks like a nice giant fluffy cotton candy cloud. Like look at that. Ooh. Is that what clouds do? I think that's what they do, right? Alright, let's do some ASMR. There's so much shaving cream, guys. This is like 4 or 5 buckets. I don't even know. I don't remember. All right, guys, I think we should stop here. This is a lot of freaking shaving cream, but let's go ahead and try and get it back in the bucket and see how much more slime we made. So let's do it. I think we had about this much of slime, maybe like this much in the beginning, like original. And then for the bucket, let's see. All right, so that's already too much inside the bucket. We have this much more. I'm gonna have to find another freaking bucket. But yeah, guys, oh my gosh. I actually recommend doing this if you want some more slime and you got one of these buckets. Add some shaving cream to it, and now you got even more slime. And also guys, I wanted to show you guys a little update on the other adding too much ingredients into slime really quick. All right guys, this one was actually the one from the last video. I wanted to do a little update on it because it actually, I remember when I told you guys, if you add shaving cream to like clear slime, it turns kind of pigmenty, like it looks like metallic. I wanted to show you guys it. So yeah, this is this one. It's got some bubbles on the top. Well, let me just show you. It looks so pretty. And I actually feel like it makes it like a bit like thicker in a way. All right, well I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer this slime into a smaller box. And now we have a new metallic fluffy slime that we're gonna wait for it to bubble up and everything. Oh my gosh, look at how cool that looks. Like it's like slowly just like getting in there. All right guys, here's our new and improved fluffy slime. Well, not improved, but just new. Is there gravy on this? Yeah. Do one more thing. We're gonna have a little bonus round. It's a little tiny miniature bonus round. We're gonna use this slime right here. This is root beer slime. I'm gonna be adding too much lotion into it because I just wanted to try. I would do shaving cream or like some other ingredient, but I feel like lotion is the best one because this slime is super like jiggly and like it rips very easily. So lotion, it would be the best thing to do. And look at how nice it is. Like I don't really like it. It's not like an actual nice homemade slime, but it's more like of a jiggly clear slime, and I actually kind of like it, so yeah. And also it smells like Coca-Cola. It's supposed to be root beer, but it smells like Coca-Cola. I don't know, I like playing with it too. I like just playing with it, but it's not very like satisfying as much. I don't know. I don't know if you guys understand me. Anyways, let's go ahead and add the lotion. So we have our lotion right here. We have our can. Let's go ahead and start trying to fill that up. If you guys ever want to make farting noises, just get a lotion, empty lotion bottle. All right, there is our root beers. We're adding more lotion than slime in this slime because the slime doesn't go all the way to the top of the container, and I put the lotion all the way to the top, so yeah. All right, let's do this. Let's see how it turns out. All right, this is interesting. I feel like this might have been a mistake, and we're gonna have to get rid of this slime or something because I don't know if it's gonna be able to come back to what it was.
Activate.
Oh no, let's see if that helps. I hope it does because this is like a different type of slime, so I don't know if it's gonna work. Hopefully it does. I feel like this was a terrible idea, guys. Oh my gosh. Maybe I added too much lotion, like way too much lotion. So here's how it turned out. It's a bit more stretchy, as you can see, and sticky, and it's different. This was a terrible idea, guys. I can't even get it to reactivate. You know what we should do? We should add a can, like this can, of shaving cream. I think we should do that. Let's do it. Why does that actually look so cool, guys? Like, wow, like root beer, you know? Shaving cream kind of like activates slime, so I want to see if it will help at all. It's starting to get thicker, but I don't know if it's getting better. It's not sticking to the counter. This is terrible, guys. Oh my gosh. All right, well, I ruined this slime. Well, you guys got down below if you guys want to do a part 2, and if you guys want me to do with like instant snow or like foam beads or something like that. But that is it. Love you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!